take you into the sun. So the just another Ferrari organically here. It's not quite as green as it was. I think we're going the other way though. First stop, Dudley's Bakery, like 50 miles in. Never been here before. Out at Highway 78, 79. Someone's with the Alpha. There you go. Hey, brief outro here on Saturday. It's late. Ferrari Owners Club never disappoints. Today was a blast, 70-mile run from the house here to Carmel Valley, the Del Dios Highway out to Escondido, more cool roads, 78 east to Ramona, and then Wildcat Canyon or something out down to just north of El Cajon, where the airport was. So we had lunch in a hangar and got great pictures of the cars in front of all the airplanes down there. Great people, great cars, awesome day. The afternoon was super chill. I just kind of laid on the couch here and caught up on some stuff. It was super hot, so it was great to just sit in the air conditioning and get some stuff done. Megan's here tonight. We went to Outback for dinner. We're all tired, so I'm going to wrap this up. I'll talk to you guys on Sunday. Good night.